If the maintenance required warning light or service required appears on your dashboard, it's not a sign of a mechanical fault, just a reminder from your vehicle that it's time for routine maintenance. It doesn't indicate anything serious or urgent. Rather, the onboard computer has detected that a preset mileage or time interval has been reached since the last service, such as an oil change or filter replacement. You can keep driving safely for a while, but ignoring the warning repeatedly may lead to accelerated engine wear or other preventable issues. This light differs from the check engine light. While the maintenance required light serves as an informational reminder, the check engine light indicates a detected fault in the engine, emission controls, or sensors. The check engine light warrants diagnosis as soon as possible, whereas maintenance required is merely a prompt for scheduled upkeep. Other symbols like oil pressure, battery, or brake warnings are more serious and may require you to stop driving immediately, unlike the routine reminder light. Automakers typically program the maintenance reminder to show up every several thousand miles, commonly around 5,000 miles or 8,000 kilometers, or after a certain elapsed time since the last reset. Some brands, such as BMW, use condition-based systems that monitor engine hours, fuel usage, or even oil condition sensors to decide when service is due. In simpler systems, the light appears around 4,500 miles as a flashing alert and becomes steady at 5,000 miles, until maintenance is performed and the system reset. Upon seeing the light, consult your owner's manual to identify the specific services recommended at that interval. Usually an oil and filter change, tire rotation, fluid level checks, and possibly brake, filters, or belt inspections. Arrange the service soon, and once it's completed, reset the indicator following the method for your vehicle. Many Toyota and Honda models require you to cycle the ignition and hold the trip button for around 10-15 seconds until the light clears. Newer vehicles with digital dashboards may allow reset via the settings menu under maintenance or oil life options. For example, Toyota vehicles display maint ReQD about every 5,000 miles, not because of a fault, but to prompt the next oil change. Honda often triggers reminders at 10,000 miles and resets similarly via the trip button method. BMW models may use advanced logic for condition-based service triggered by usage patterns. Ford and other makes also follow routine service reminders tied to mileage intervals. Electric and hybrid vehicles may feature a maintenance reminder too, though less frequently since there's no traditional engine oil, and many systems last longer. In hybrids or EVs, fault or system warnings may instead show a check engine style icon if an electric motor or high voltage component requires attention. These signals are more urgent than the routine service reminder. In summary, the service or maintenance required light is a friendly nudge, not a warning of malfunction. It's triggered by mileage, elapsed time, or usage patterns depending on the brand. When it appears, arrange the scheduled service, then reset the indicator properly. Always heed other dash lights indicating faults for immediate diagnosis. Routine maintenance helps keep your vehicle reliable, efficient, and safe over the long haul.